Hi everyone, welcome to Maya's channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple chutney or pickle, which is instant pickle with the mango. Ingredients: 1 mango, green mango, grated, 1 spoon jaggery, 1 spoon salt, 1 spoon red chilli powder, 1 spoon mustard seeds and cumin seeds together, and 1 red chilli. Oil as per your taste. Hing. Heat the pan. Add 4 spoons oil. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds. Seeds are popped. Add hing as per taste. Add all ingredients to the grated mango. Mix it well. Add oil. Ready to serve. My instant mango chutney is ready and it can be served with rice or chapati or any food you like. It is side dish. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, share with your friends and see you with next recipe next time.